Hi all, my name is Krish. If you are starting your prep for your 2025 IPMAT attempt, then this is the correct video to kickstart your journey. Now, what happens is in India, any competitive exam takes about 8 months of preparation. Wait a minute. Then why am I watching this video 15 months or 12 months before my exam? Simple reason, we need to have some sort of structural learning because let's not lie to ourselves, we are very good at procrastination. Now, starting early actually helps you in some ways. The first thing is about the first mover advantage. What actually happens is you know about the structure, you know about what to study, you know what not to study, and all this actually helps at the end. The second thing is about contingency. Contingency is anything which you cannot predict right now. Let's say you want to go out on a long vacation, you want to attend a wedding. All these things consume some time out of our study plans, right? So it is very essential to make certain arrangements for them and start early so that you can have these fun moments also. The third things which you will definitely face is your boards. Now, what happens is we spend a lot of time studying for boards, and it's really essential. We need to focus on 12th first because that's the score which will stay with you for your life. But the thing is, imagine the situation. You're going to your school, you're going to your college, spending time there studying. You come back home, you go to tuition studying for your 12th, spend time again. Then you come back home, you do your homework, you do your self prep, and you are almost done with your day. So imagine this, that if you start right now, you have a lot of free time right now. You can actually start preparing in a very good fashion from right now so that it helps you at the end when you are actually, balancing out boards and IPMAT preparation. The last thing about this is at IMS, we believe in taking you from basics to advanced. We'll handhold you right from your start to the advanced journey. The only thing is, let's say you imagine yourself as someone who is, I don't like fonts, as a person who is like, I'm bored while reading comprehensions. We are saying nothing. Just come to IMS, see the magic, and then decide for yourself that if you want to continue this journey or not. The only thing which I can say is सक्सेस होगा या नहीं होगा nobody can tell, but progress जरूर होगा. So see you on the other side.